Ranch. 3-bed, 2-bath, first floor living in the heart of Chesapeake. No HOA. Detached 2-car garage. Open floor plan, great room/dining room combo, west/vaulted ceilings. Large updated 2013 eat-in kitchen, west/natural light and French doors leading to patio and the large fenced-in backyard. All appliances work but convey as is, to include washer/dryer. 45-year arch roof and skylights replaced 2011, HVAC 2019, Rev osmosis water softener system 1999, as is. West/full price offer, seller to provide $2,500 toward flooring. Near hospitals, bases, highways, shopping, and entertainment.